What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So some of you guys may know that some of my content ideas come from me basically asking myself, what do I wish I knew? What do I know now that I wish I knew in the past? So whether this is a few months back, couple of years, few years, whatever the case may be. But I was working on one of my sites the other day and I realized that, oh, I've been doing this for quite some time, and I bet a lot of people aren't doing this as well. So essentially what this is going to do is allow you to rank some of your other cities plus service pages without having to do as much off-page SEO effort. Now, don't get me wrong, off-page is still extremely important, but there are some things that you can do on-page that are going to help you with ranking other city plus service pages. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm referring to. All right, so welcome into my computer. You'll notice right away the overall quality of the camera has tremendously, hopefully, increased. The webcam that we had was 1080, but with the lighting, it just didn't really work that well. So switch things up. Camera mounted up to the side of my Veridesk, so it was very Alex Becker-esque in terms of looking off to the right to speak to the camera, or to look directly at the camera. So even, of course, repping his software, Market Hero. But the stand-up desk is currently in the stand-up mode, so I think it might be a little shaky. We'll see how it turns out when I'm moving the mouse or typing, that sort of stuff. But we'll see how it is. If it is a little too shaky, then it might just drop it down to the sitting or the lower position for these videos. But either way, I like moving up and down when I'm doing videos. But either way, I like switching it up, because when you spend 10, 12, 15 hours a day at your computer, if you're not moving, you're just going to get tired and your work quality is going to go down. So okay, so the topic at hand of the video, how can you increase the amount of first page rankings without building more off-page links and spending money on backlinks and PBNs and that sort of stuff? So there's one simple concept that you can put to use, and it costs nothing. It's just going to take you some time to put it in place, especially if you have a lot of pages. And that is the practice of interlinking. I'm not going to spell it out because it's 15 letters long. So you already do this on your site already. If you have a header that has links to your homepage, services pages, the contact us, the about, service area, whatever other core pages that you have on your site, those are sending links from each and every single one of the pages that you have, if you have that header placed on there. Or if you have other links throughout your content, let's say you have a city plus service page that is talking about drain cleaning, and then you also mention plumbing services and it links to that service page. So that is an interlink from that page to that one. So what you can do to further help your ranking, let's say you're going to try to rank for Des Moines, Iowa, or you're already ranking for Des Moines, Iowa plumbing, for example. I'm working on a plumbing site, so that's kind of on my mind at the moment. And so let's say that you already have this Des Moines page ranking, or it's climbing the ranks. It could be on page 2, whatever. You've sent links to it, whether they're foundational stuff, Web 2.0s, or if they are PBN links with a high authority, sending to that Des Moines page. What you can do, and what I would recommend that you do to further expand and scale out, scale up, is if you have not built out other pages for the neighboring city. Let's say you have, I don't know the Des Moines, Iowa area very well, but you have city 1, city 2, all the way up. Let's say there's like 9 cities all right around there. What you can do, of course, you build out those city plus service pages as you would, but you would have on that Des Moines page, maybe down beneath the call to action, like so you have a call to action with some graphical elements to it, and then just add in a bulleted list or a checklist or whatever you prefer, whatever works best with the design that you're using. You can do this whether you're using Elementor, Thrive Architect, or any other WordPress builder. This is a very simple function, but you basically just have the text of whatever that city may be. Let's just say it's Ames, Iowa. I don't think that's anywhere close to Des Moines, but let's say it's Ames. You build out that page and you basically will just place a link to the Ames page right on there. You have Ames, you have city 1, city 2, city, all the other cities, and you basically will just place a hyperlink to the Ames page right there on that Des Moines page. And so what's going to happen is that the link juice coming from the PBNs and other links that you have at the Des Moines page are then going to be sent to the Ames page and the other ones around there. And you can also do the same thing on the Ames page. You could do this with 6, 8, 10, 12 cities, however many you want to do, however many is going to look and flow well with the design. And that's going to help just overall boosting the interlinking throughout the entire site, because you have this page doing it, this page. And so adding these interlinks will help with really increasing the overall authority and how much value you get from each one of the links that you build to your site, because it's flowing to that page and to that page, and then from this page back over to this one. If you have another and then another city's page over here, and it just continues the cycle, and it just keeps sending more and more and more link juice throughout the entire site. It kind of just charges up one big I don't know how to, like an energy ball, if you will, of constant links flowing throughout the whole site. So just make sure though that it flows with the design. It's not going to look like crap. You don't necessarily want it at the very top of the page or anything like that, because it might confuse website visitors. Is have an H2 header right above these columns that state, or if it's a single column, whatever, then you have it state nearby cities and towns or cities and areas that we also serve. And then you have that list with the links, and boom, simple as that. All it does is take you a little bit of time to put this to work. Now, is this going to help the suburb page that you have go from being stuck on page 5 to the top of page 1? No, not likely, but this will just overall help balance things out in terms of the links and everything. So you may be able to get away with a little bit less link building if all these things are connected, because the link juice is being scattered throughout the entire site, overall boosting the entire authority, which essentially is what you're doing. It's almost like you're building a boat that is in a lock and dam, and as the lock and dam, if you don't know what that is, just go Google it, where you basically are bypassing a dam and they fill up water to bring it up to the top. If you're going up the dam or up the river, or if you're going down, it takes it down. You want to be building essentially all of your links and authority that's coming from outside links is going to the website, which is your boat, and the boat is rising up to the very top, and then when it gets to the top, you're at the top, your first page, top of first page. So that is interlinking in a nutshell. It's pretty basic. It's really just placing a link to another page on your site on a particular page, and it really just helps boost and spread the overall trust flow, citation flow, and especially the page authority of your specific pages on your site, helping you climb the ranking. So put this to work on your site and let me know some of the improvements that you see after Google starts crawling through your site. So if you like this type of content with tutorials and that sort of stuff, be sure to go down below, drop a like on this video. If you're not already subscribed, it's 100% free. Go down below, smash that subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications so you know when the newest videos come out. We're coming at you 3 times a week with content regarding SEO, digital marketing, and a whole other just business-oriented stuff. And also, if you want to get more guided step-by-step training just like this, there's a link right down below, first link in the description, to our local affiliate SEO mini course, where you can get guided step-by-step training to build a website, rank it in the search engines, and monetize it with selling the leads directly to a business or sending them to an affiliate network and earning commissions for each one of the leads that you generate. So I'll see you guys in the next video.